Alright, so how are we doing? Running for a couple of minutes. Everything looks pretty good. And nice rock solid idle there. Temperature looks good. And hey there. And got some smoke coming off the, had some smoke coming off the driver's side exhaust manifold. Temperature solid. That's a really good sign. Considering this engine probably hasn't been started in a year. The new engine. We do have the smoke crawled under the car, and that's coming out of the driver's side exhaust manifold. So I think we just don't have a real good seal there, and there's probably some oil on it from just the installation and being removed from another car and shipped from Japan, and etc. So anyway, I think overall it's looking pretty good. Might be able to get this thing on the road and sell it to some poor schmuck. So anyway, cheers.